Hi everybody, I'm Kevin. This is Real World Natural Living, and today I thought it would be interesting to give you a quick view of my microgreen room where I grow all my microgreens for my business and my personal consumption. So the reason I started growing microgreens in the first place was because I'm in Canada, gardening zone 3, and wintertime you're just not growing outside. So I wanted to be able to produce some of my own food indoors, and microgreens were a quick, effective way of doing that, and they're super nutritious as well. So let's go have a look at the room. Okay, so here we are. I'm just getting ready to harvest for the week, so it's a perfect time to show you everything. So as you can see, I've got 2 racks. I've got this rack full right now. It's generally full every week, and then the second rack gets full in the summertime with farmers markets and everything like that. Right now I have other stuff germinating right now. You can kind of see that going there. Pretty easy. I've got 1 fan here, and I've got another fan back here just to circulate the air around everything. And then over here I have a dehumidifier. So I do have to dehumidify this room. I keep it around 45-ish, which right now, I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, we're at 46 right now, 47, so, and 25 degrees. I keep the temperature of the room somewhere between usually 24 and 27 degrees Celsius. And then up here I just have some packaging and some containers and stuff like that up there. And then this is my harvest table. I'm just getting ready. I got my scale and I've got my labels and I've got my grow lists there and everything. And of course my sanitizer, always keeping everything super clean and everything. And then over here, this sign is just from my farmer's market, and I just keep some odds and ends and some gloves and everything there. And then down on the floor here, I'll show you too. I do have a heater going as well. Sometimes I need to supplement, especially in the winter time. But the humidifier actually throws off some heat when it's working as well. And then down here, you can see I've got some seed hulls on the bottom from the sunflower here. That's why you always put your sunflower on the bottom. And then once I harvest, then I'll sweep that up because they just they fall off. So down over here I also have a battery pack with an inverter here. You can see, so if my power does go out, I can still power the microgreens. I can set that up and still have some power and everything, because I do need the lights and everything like that as well. And I'll just give you a quick show here. We're doing some radish up here. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's some radish. I've got some broccoli here, and then I've got some peas, and on the bottom you've seen the sunflower already. That's my main staples, and then I have some new ones coming up in the next couple of months as well. Yeah, so this is my microgreen room. I actually have the ability to fill each one of these racks twice in a week with actual growing product. So I can do quite a few in here. Now if I go beyond that, then it'll be time for me to get my own shop outside of the house, which is for now the eventual goal, but we'll see how things go. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of everything, kind of show you stuff. If you're interested in more microgreen videos, leave me a comment down below, and like, subscribe, and don't forget the most important thing, take care of yourself.